Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very interesting DIY for you. We are going to make a zine today. Let's begin. Here we have an A4 sheet paper. You can use any size paper, but A4 size papers are the easiest to create copies of. So I suggest you to make A4 size papers only. Now we are going to fold it in half. Let's fold it in half again. One more time. See these divisions on this paper? This will be the size of our zine. Now we are going to fold it again and cut it in the middle halfway through the page. Now fold it like I'm doing to make your zine. For those of you who don't know, a zine is basically a mini magazine. Like a magazine, you can create one original and then print as many copies as you want. You can share them with your friends to share ideas, creations, memories, or just for fun. You might think that in this era of social media, people share these things on Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, or whatever the kids are using these days. What's the point of spreading hours on a handmade zine? Then maybe this DIY is not for you. This DIY is for people who relish the process of creating art. This DIY is for people who spend hours to make one-of-a-kind handmade greeting card for their loved ones when they could have easily ordered one online in a few minutes. If you are an art enthusiast like me, just keep watching. We are gonna create something really cool today. Now the best part, we are going to create the individual pages of our zine. I used collage to decorate the pages of my zine. Usually my drawings are so detailed that they require so much focus. It was fun to just tear some colorful pages, stick them randomly without overthinking it. By the way, if you're planning to make a greeting card for someone, you can make a zine instead of a card. It will give you a lot more space for the content. My zine is related to art. I want to suggest my readers to check out some artists and art styles. I named my zine Colorful Dialogues. On the next page, I'm going to write a quote. Creativity is contagious. Pass it on. By Albert Einstein. That's what I want to do. I want to spread the joy of creativity. The next page is titled Know the Art. On this page, I suggested Gond art. The Gonds are the largest tribal community in India. They are mainly found in Madhya Pradesh and its surrounding states. Gond art is identified by fine lines, dots and dashes. The Gonds traditionally painted the mud walls of their house with this form of art. Jangar Singh Shyam was among the first Gond artists to use paper and canvas for this painting style. His work has been exhibited widely over the world, including Bhopal, Delhi, Tokyo, and New York. In 2001, he hanged himself. The reasons for his suicide are not clearly known. The next page is again a quote. Creativity is a drug I cannot live without, by Cecil B. DeMille. I'm not pronouncing it right, I know. The next page is Know the Artist. I'd like you to check out Shankar Gujare's artworks. I think though his paintings are still, you can feel the energy and movement in them. The next page is again a quote. It says, "Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once you grow up," by Pablo Picasso. I have met so many people who say that they love drawing, painting, and crafting when they were little, but now they struggle to take out time and energy to do so. I think this quote relates to a lot of us. I wanted to make the next page interactive, so I left a little space for the receiver to draw something. I know that if I'll ask them to draw air quotes something, they will probably keep thinking what to draw and will probably draw nothing. So I asked them to draw their favorite fruit. The last page, that is also the back cover of the zine, I made it very similar to the front cover page. I wrote the name of my Facebook page, my YouTube channel, in case they want to follow me on social media, which I'd really appreciate. Speaking of which, you can follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is Life with Sonam. I post a lot of artworks there. My zine is complete. Now I'm going to open it, scan it. Make sure to scan it using a colored scanner. We're going to fold it the same way we folded the blank A4 sheet in the beginning of this video. You can create as many copies as you want. It's super simple. Did you enjoy this video? If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. If you create your own zine, please upload it on Facebook or Instagram and tag me. I'd love to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.